Henbane River is free, and with John in the ground, there's only Jacob left. He's dug into the north. Get going, Deputy. fire. I can't. This whole having something to live for thing really makes you think about life and death different.
How about we trade places for a bit? You got it, sweetheart.
I got it. I thought I had it. Idea? I can't do that. People on our side. Sweetheart, no.
This is where the cult first put down roots in Hope County.
Joseph could see how we...
Everyone thought they'd make things better here. Couldn't imagine it would come to this. Here first, we'll really anyway, keep up the good work, Rook.
Some preppers invited me into their group, but it's just not my thing. Kansas just tastes like sand to me.
Can't wait till autumn. It's the perfect season for... copious amounts of outdoor boning.
Yeah, whatever you say, Adelaide. I don't know what I would have done again. now.
Got out of control, I stocked up on coconut oil. It's a great lube. You can cook with it too, I hear.
Whatever you say, Adelaide.
Pack an extra pair of socks, no matter what. You never know when you'll need to keep your feet warm or just make an impromptu ball gag.
I guess that's the truth, Adelaide. You know where to find me.
Conservation? Not much left here to conserve, is there?
Oh yeah, let's do this.
Oh, thank God! They've got me pinned up here! Please! I need your help! Oh no! Holy shit!
Yeah, looks like we got some
Thanks for the
dancing
help.
partners.
Hold on, I'm coming down.
I've never seen anything like this. You're no good to me, Dad.
Guess I could have gone south all the way to Texas.
Shit, I didn't think I was gonna make it. Thanks for that. I'm Sarah, by the way, Sarah Perkins. Was heading up a wildlife conservation team studying the wolves in the park, and then, well, we found these things. They're wolves, but not like anything I've seen before. The cult calls them judges. Bigger, stronger, tough. How the hell are these things so strong? Okay, so here's the deal. They're wolves, but not like anything I've seen before. The cult calls them judges. Bigger, stronger, tougher than the other species around here. The cult tried to force my team to help them. When we said no, they sicked those things on us. Eli and the Whitetails got me out. Been trying to pay them back ever since. I've got a theory on how to use the cult's formula to help us track these creatures. But all I'm working with is corpses. I need a live judge. I know it's a big ask, but I'm desperate. The cult's training him at an old youth camp called the Breakthrough. Do this for me, and I might be able to put something together that'll help you hunt these things. I'll meet you at the camp once it's clear.
You know, I'm not just a hot piece of ass. I can also fix helicopters.
Mama knows. Holy snipe!
almost leave my body. Glad you showed up when you did. My whole team was taken and strung up for these monsters to train on. Was just luck that I wasn't taken too. Fuck, I mean, I've been studying these judges for months now. It's, well, to put it bluntly, pretty weird shit. Essentially, Jacob and his soldiers have been pumping these poor wolves full of some kind of drug. No idea what it is, but it's turning them into war machines. What's worse is the cult seems to be able to control these animals. It sounds crazy, I know, but I've seen the judges follow human commands. The scariest part of all this is that I don't think they're limiting these experiments to just wolves.
10-4. Watch these beggars there. I'll hit that.
That's what you get!
Got it.
That'll shut you up!
I got a visual.
Doing it!
Weapons hot. Bombs away. Drop the bomb. That shit's gone. You got it.
Here we go now! I'll make it touchdown!
I'm seeing it.
Taking a different position!
We've got unfriendlies! Wow, that's a sight!
Okay, coast is clear. Give me a sec, I'm almost
Now
there.
that's gonna be a future war story.
No use leaving stuff behind.
Coming down the zip line. God, this place gives me the creeps.
Okay, open the gate so we can get started. Your friend there has an itchy trigger finger. You may want to do this solo.
Makes a gal want to pick up smoking again.
Lives are on the line, ma'am. Don't forget it.
Good. Now the fun part. Lure one inside. Not seeing any judges from up here. We need to lure them in. I've got an idea. The dinner bell. Grab one.
Always thought Joseph had these assholes on a tight leash. They ain't so tough, especially from up here.
Trust me. they'll come running.
Well, I'll take your word for it, darling.
I'm here now, sweetheart.
Heads up, I see one.
There's still good people up here, but they're just hanging on by
They want to stop murdering everything they see? We need to find another...
Call me if you want it done right,
Shit! I needed it alive. We need to find another one.
Only way we're gonna get rid of all this violence is with more violence.
Is this a joke to you? I said alive. Here comes another. Keep this one alive, please.
I'll hit that.
Holy shit, you got him! Alright, I'm coming down for a closer look. I wasn't sure you were gonna pull it off, but you did it. Will you look at him? Beautiful.
I owe you one. If Xander's brain-boosting smoothie worked like he claims, he never would have cracked.
I'm gonna figure you out. Don't worry. Oh, look at those pupils. Way more dilation than I expected. Can't thank you enough. With this guy here, I've got everything I need to synthesize a formula. Here, take a test batch I was working on. Should help you hunt these damn things down. Give it a test drive. Hear they're training more judges over at the Fang Center. Love to feel the heat of the sun on me.
whole entire life like this.
Big old bear.
In my balls. But I don't think so. Gonna check it out.
Whitetail Militia's been ready for this fight for years. Eli made sure we had caches stashed all over the place. Guns, ammo, you name it. Gotta be prepared for anything, you know? But the way things are going, we need those supplies here. Not sitting in some bunker waiting to be found. Last thing we need are the fucking Peggies stumbling across our shit. So if you could get those supplies, it'd be a big help for us. But, there is one problem. We don't keep a map of the caches here. Don't ask me why. Safeguards, or some bullshit. There's a scout up at the Jefferson Lookout Tower who should have one. Place is just west of here. Good luck, and be careful out there.
Peggy's got machine guns and rocket launchers. We need to match it.
You think you're ready? You're not. There's always something else you need.
Check it in.
Country folk know how to do it. It's the only thing keeping us going.
Always thought Joseph had these assholes on a tight leash. They ain't so tough, especially from up here.
You hearing me? It's Weedy. If you're getting close to that tower, grab the map.
I reckon I can fix a plane blindfolded.
The bunker should be marked on the map. Once you've got it, pick a spot and go. But Eden's Gate has a few hunting parties out. They're nabbing guys, throwing them in those fucking chairs. Last thing we need is to lose you again.
Damn it, Jason. You did it again.
I can't wait for this chapter in Montana's history to be over and done with.
Look, for now, just keep it at the tower. I'll swing by and pick it up when I get a chance. Next time, just leave it the fuck alone, okay?
Down below! gonna get peace here with a lot. I have eyes on a target.
Nah, check around. Cabin's too obvious. What about a root cellar? Or something that would lead underground? Found it yet? The cache has a tracker that'll cause a feedback loop on your radio if you get close.
I'm seeing the
They probably hid it underground. Definitely wouldn't keep it in the cabins. You got it? Nice job. On to the next one.
They're still out there somewhere.
on the cameras. Stash should be somewhere. Shit. There's a cult patrol headed your way. Better hurry.
Got it.
take a look around.
I got eyes on it.
Still no luck? It could be some sort of bug-out hole.
Mayday! Mayday!
Anyone else on this? Hey, they can't stay surrounded. Alright, we need help! Shit! That's the last stash. Deputy, you're not too far. Stop those Peggies from taking off with our supplies. On camera. Wait. Ah, no! Those motherfuckers looted the place. They're driving away with our shit. Get after them and get that stash back. Hurry! They're getting away!
One order straight. Coming up. Got it.
Okay, that's good enough. Come on back to the Wolf's Den.
Backcountry has its own rhythm to it. You did good, Deputy. Damn. Glad we can actually put this stuff to use instead of letting it collect dust in some bunker. This is a big help. I can't believe you caught those guys. Thought for sure they'd get away. If we had a couple more people like you around here, Eden's Gate would have rolled over a long time ago. Thanks again, Deputy.
Being a prepper ain't just about having the stuff. It's about having the knowledge.
Hey, you got a sec?
I can try hunting some deer tomorrow.